we unveil something that feels less like a motorhome and more like a royal residence on wheels. The Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026, the most luxurious palace motorhome ever created. This is not simply another high-end RV. It is an extraordinary fusion of architectural elegance, advanced engineering, and timeless prestige inspired by the heritage of Mercedes-Benz. From the very first glance, it commands attention with grand proportions, sculpted body lines, and a presence so dominant it feels like a moving landmark. The exterior design reflects unmistakable Mercedes-Benz DNA. A bold, upright grille crowned with the iconic three-pointed star symbolizes engineering excellence and global prestige. Sleek LED matrix headlights stretch confidently across the front, delivering futuristic style and intelligent illumination that adapts automatically to changing road conditions. The aerodynamic body is finished in rich pearl ivory metallic paint, accented with subtle gold detailing that enhances its regal personality. Built on a reinforced heavy-duty Mercedes commercial chassis, this motorhome combines strength with sophistication. Its massive wheelbase ensures stability at highway speeds, while advanced air suspension glides smoothly over uneven terrain. Despite its impressive size, the driving experience remains refined and surprisingly effortless. Inside the cockpit, the driver is surrounded by a panoramic digital dashboard, intuitive touch controls, and plush leather captain's chairs designed for long-distance comfort. Yet what truly sets the Grand Palazzo Imperiale apart is its architectural inspiration. Rather than resembling a conventional motorhome, its upper structure echoes a European palace facade. Graceful arch-style windows line the side panels, framed with decorative trims that reflect classical design. Subtle balcony-style rail details and layered roof contours create the illusion of a stately mansion sculpted into motion. Step inside and you are transported into a world of handcrafted excellence. The entrance opens into a grand foyer featuring polished marble effect flooring and soft ambient lighting. Every surface feels premium, from stitched leather wall panels to real wood cabinetry finished in warm walnut tones. Crystal-inspired light fixtures cast a golden glow throughout the interior. The main lounge feels like a five-star hotel suite. Oversized panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, creating an open, airy atmosphere. Plush sectional sofas wrapped in buttery soft leather invite complete relaxation. A retractable 8K ultra-high-definition television rises silently from a concealed cabinet, paired with a premium surround sound system that transforms the lounge into a private cinema. Across from the lounge, the formal dining area features a handcrafted stone-finished table surrounded by high-back upholstered chairs. Integrated LED lighting adjusts in brightness and color temperature, allowing you to create the perfect mood whether hosting an intimate dinner or enjoying a quiet family meal. The kitchen rivals that of a luxury apartment. Equipped with a full-size smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and built-in espresso machine, it delivers everything required for gourmet cooking on the road. Durable quartz countertops and soft-close cabinetry provide generous storage without sacrificing elegance. Moving toward the private quarters, the master bedroom is extraordinary. A king-size bed anchors the space against a padded, illuminated headboard wall. Premium bedding ensures restful sleep, while integrated climate control maintains the perfect temperature in any season. Mirrored wardrobe closets offer abundant storage for extended journeys. The ensuite bathroom continues the theme of indulgence. A full-size glass-enclosed shower with rainfall head, marble-finished dual-sink vanity, and gold-accented fixtures create a spa-like retreat. Heated flooring adds everyday comfort. One of the most breathtaking features is the upper observation lounge, accessible by a beautifully illuminated staircase. This elevated space offers panoramic views through wraparound windows. It can function as a private relaxation retreat, executive office, or entertainment lounge. Reclining chairs, a compact bar, and integrated smart screens make it the perfect place to unwind while overlooking scenic landscapes. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout. A centralized smart home system allows owners to control lighting, climate, security cameras, entertainment, and slide-out expansions via touchscreen or mobile app. Voice command functionality adds effortless convenience. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree camera views. Intelligent braking and reinforced structural engineering ensure confidence on highways and mountain roads alike. Power comes from a next-generation turbo diesel engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Impressive torque delivers confident acceleration despite palace-like dimensions. Energy independence is supported by a high-capacity lithium battery bank working alongside rooftop solar panels, while a whisper-quiet generator provides backup power. As night falls, exterior accent lighting outlines the palace-inspired facade, transforming the motorhome into a glowing architectural sculpture. The Mercedes-Benz Grand Palazzo Imperiale 2026 is more than luxury, it is an experience. It turns highways into royal corridors and campsites into private estates. For those who demand exclusivity, craftsmanship, and undeniable presence, it delivers an unmatched statement. This is where engineering mastery meets artistic imagination. The road has never looked so royal.